Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rishika and today's video I'm gonna be creating this glam Indian makeup look using all sugar cosmetic. So yes guys, you heard me right. Today I'm using only a sugar product, but before start the video, kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Okay guys, so I have already prepped my skin. For foundation, I am taking this Sugar Range of Coverage 24-hour foundation and I am in the shade 27 Vienna. And guys, I just dot it all over my face. And I'm gonna blend it with the damn beauty blender to give a good finish. And believe me guys, this foundation give you a full coverage, as you can see. Okay, for concealer I am going to use a Sugar Magic Wing waterproof concealer and I am in the shade 07 Vanilla Latte, and I am going to conceal my under eye areas as well as the areas where I feel a dark spot. And concealer help to highlight your bridge of the nose, forehead, cupid's bow, chin, whereas you like to highlight. And guys, always remember, use a less amount of product. And guys, again I am going to take a damn beauty blender and smooth all the edges. For setting my conceal area, I am going to use a Sugar All Set to Go banana powder so that my concealer doesn't crease. If you have oily skin, use it all over your face. So guys, next step. For contour, blush and highlights, I am going to take a Sugar Contour the Force face palette and I am in the shade 02 Vivi Victory. And guys, I just simply contour my face area as well as my nose and my chin area where I like the most contour. Again, I am taking a blush from the same palette and I just apply it apple of my cheek. And guys, look at the pigmentation. And I like to wear it on my forehead. Again, I am taking from the same palette the highlighter and I just highlight my highlights area like bridge of the nose, my forehead. Whereas I like to highlight. For eyeshadow palette, I am using a Sugar Brand the Rule eyeshadow palette and I am in the shade 01 Flawless, which is like a warm shade eyeshadow palette, and the eyeshadows are super pigmentation and butter smooth. And I'm gonna take a orange matte and I just applied it all over my crease area with a small sugar blush which came with an eyeshadow palette. And I'm taking my floppy brush and I just blend it. Again, I'm taking a Champion Golden, this is kind of shimmer color, and I just applied it all over my lid and look at the pigmentation. Again, I'm taking my floppy brush and I just blend it all over my crease area. Again, I am taking a Sugar Graphic Jam 36 hour eyeliner and I am in the shade 01 Blackest Black, and I just create a small wing. And again, I am taking Sugar Cone of Honor Intense Kajal and I am in the shade 023 Aqua Lunch. And I just applied it my waterline area. And this one is Sugar Matte Attack Transproof Lipsticks, and I am in the shade 02 Red Zeppelin. And guys, this one is the bomb lipsticks, and you guys already know that I love the red lipstick the most, so yeah. And last will not the least, this one is the Lash Bomb Limitation Mascara, and I am in the shade 01 Black with a Bang. Alright guys, so that is the finished makeup look. So hope you guys really enjoyed watching my video. If you did, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel.